In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track non-billable time in Goodday. We'll walk through this together step by step, so you can quickly see where all your non-billable hours are going, like internal meetings, training, or admin work. This is especially useful if you need to understand workload and productivity beyond just client-facing tasks. Start by opening Goodday and looking toward the lower left corner of your screen. There, you'll see your profile icon. This might be your photo, your initials, or a generic avatar, depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu that gives you access to your personal and account-related options. From that menu, choose the option labeled Account Settings. Clicking this will take you to a dedicated page where you can configure different aspects of your Goodday experience. Think of this area as your control center for anything related to your account and your role in the organization. Once you're on the account settings page, look for the section called Human Resources, or HR for short. Click on Human Resources. This area is focused on people-related settings, such as employee details, roles, and activity. It's where you'll find tools to manage and monitor user information, which is what we need for tracking non-billable time. Inside the HR section, find and click on Company Users. This will open a list of all users in your organization's Goodday workspace. Here you can see everyone who has access along with their profiles. If you're an admin or manager, this is where you can review activity across the team. From the list of company users, select the user whose non-billable time you want to review. In many cases, that will be yourself, but you might also be checking a team member's activity. Simply click on their name or profile entry to open their user details page. On the users page, look for the Activity tab and click on it. The Activity section is where Goodday aggregates the user's work history, including time entries and task-related actions. This is the foundation for understanding how their time is being spent. Finally, within the Activity area, click on Summary. The Summary view gives you a high-level breakdown of activity, including non-billable time. Here, you can analyze patterns, compare billable versus non-billable hours, and use that insight to improve planning, resource